Right, now forgive the wobbly camera here. I'm just going to show you a little bit more about the ZTE Blade, which is better known as the Orange San Francisco. Here it is again. We've got 3.2 megapixel camera on the back there. We've got 3.5mm audio port there on the top, the power, micro USB port there on the left, and at the volume up and down here on the right. And at the bottom, just the microphone and the battery. Got 3 buttons on the front: home, menu and back. And we've got the lock screen, standard lock screen, and there in the background you may just be able to see the live wallpaper here. And the live wallpaper can be changed if you wish. You just press menu down the bottom, choose wallpaper. You can set your lock screen that we were just in, or the live wallpaper itself. I'm going to choose home, and then you can choose live wallpaper, normal wallpapers, or from your gallery. So if you've got a picture that you want to use as your background, the gallery application, as you can see, is very smooth. We can sort of press on there, it glides around, and I can sort of go through the days that I've chosen. Look at this picture I took earlier, and then you sort of choose which part of the photo you want to take. You can sort of stretch it out if you wish with the multi-touch. Multi-touch is built into this. I could save that. But for a phone like this to have live wallpaper in, it's a 600 MHz CPU. It doesn't really slow it down a great deal, to be fair. It is quite a fast phone, and as you can see there, I can now move from side to side. All of these widgets, applications, shortcuts, whatever you want to call them, are totally customizable. The bottom layer there stays the same. Here, this is where you enter into your programs list. You've also got your Orange text messaging system. You've got this to go straight into your phone dialer, so you can start typing in somebody's name, or you can type in the number and it will dial them. Very fast indeed. You've got the caller log, and as I said before, you can sort of drag and drop any of this around. So if you don't want the clock like that, you can add a different clock. Let's have a digital clock here. Let's go back one and find the orange digital clock, which looks quite nice. There we go. And you can see the date, the time, and whether your alarm is set from that screen. The gallery, which I just touched on there, is a very nice photo gallery. You've also got Orange Photo, which is a little bit confusing, but if I go into the gallery application, there we go. Very smooth application indeed. We can sort of look on our camera roll here. We can use this to drag between the days. We can switch to a different view, which is sort of bunches it up. We can hop into the camera itself, and we can take photos if we wish from this application. We can do video, and it's all very smooth, and it actually uses your last photo as the backdrop. So that's pretty cool. As I mentioned before, it's heavily Orange branded. You've got Orange Alarm, Orange App Shop, Orange Backup, Orange Home Screen, Orange Maps, Orange Wednesdays, Orange Photo, Orange Ringtones, Orange TV, Orange Stopwatch even. You can sort of knock that into the background to some extent if you don't want it, but a lot of these apps like Orange Wednesdays, very useful, especially at £99 for this phone. And then you can get your 2-for-1 cinema tickets as well, so that's pretty good. The camera interface, I'll just show you the, this is a camcorder here. You can basically just press record, and it's recording a video. You stop, and then you can hop into the video you've just recorded, and you can play it. And it's recording a video. There we go, so it's very, very quick phone. And as I said, I think in the earlier video, and also in this video, for £99, this handset is really quite good indeed, and I think you get £10 of top up on that. So the Orange San Francisco, available now, I must say. I've got a little forced close there, we'll just ignore that. It's reloading. Even if it does go wrong, like this, Android will just cope with it and reload. So if anything goes wrong, you've got your Google Mail, your POP3 mail, you can have your instant email on here. You've got little things like contacts that sync with the cloud. You've got your calendar that syncs with the cloud. You can log into your Google system and look at your appointments on there. You've got docs to go for viewing PDFs and doc files, etc. Any Microsoft files it'll view through that. So it's not just you know, a pay-as-you-go phone for the teen crowd or the 20-something crowd. This can be used as a business device as well. The keyboard is very good. It's got predictive word texting, etc. You got Google Maps on there that will download where you are. You've got the navigation, Google Navigation, that you can install, so you can use it as a sat nav for free, no problem at all. You've also got Orange Maps and change your ringtones through here. You can watch Orange TV with it. You've got access through the Google Android market to thousands and thousands of applications. You've got the FM radio. Overall, the Orange San Francisco is highly recommended by us at coolsmartphone.com. The only bad points, I would say, 3.2 megapixel camera, not as good as some other handsets, and sometimes it keeps losing the Wi-Fi. We think that might be a problem with our access point, but apart from that, this is a very good standout phone for Orange.